Emily doesn't know that we decorated the place. Here she comes. Come here, Emily. And here's her gift. It's balloon for Emily's birthday.
You see Dora?
I see Zebra.
Oh yeah, Swiper.
And who else? Who's that one?
Boots.
Boots.
Boots a monkey.
Yeah.
Boots the monkey.
Look.
Bella.
Yeah.
What about this, Em?
Balloons.
More
Oh, look at this
balloons.
balloon.
Wow.
I got
You got it.
it.
And who's that?
More Dora.
Give Dora a kiss. Dora a kiss. Good job.
And that says happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
What that was?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Precious.
Yeah. Look, Emily, and we have a
What
gift
is
for
that?
Emily.
What is that?
Princess dress up.
What's inside?
It's from Mommy and Daddy.
Teachers.
It's like tutus. It's princess
Take them out.
dresses.
Wow.
What's that?
I don't know.
Wow, pretty.
Thank you.
Is there a necklace inside? Let's look for a necklace. Here, in here.
Yeah, take some of the clothes out.
It goes out.
Wow.
Can I hold it? Thank you.
A blue one.
A blue one.
It's a blue one.
Yeah, it is.
And that bigger.
Wow.
A purple one.
It's a purple one.
What's that? What's that? Look.
What's that?
I think there's something in there, Daddy. And there's something in here. Say thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, look.
Say thank you. Look, sweetie. Look.
Open.
Oh, just a sec. Okay, we're gonna help her now.
Open it. Open it.
What's this, sweetie? Oh, the jewel came off. Look, a crown for a princess. You wanna put it on? What's that? Pretty roses. And a necklace for Emily. Look at your necklace. Kiss Mama.
And a wand.
Kiss Mommy.
Good job.
Say thank you.
Sign on it.
star.
star.
A balloon.
Balloon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Say thank you. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah.
Whoa, oops.
Happy birthday.
You dropped it. Can you say